Middle cerebral artery anatomy. 9 questions and answers. Is the middle cerebral artery a branch of the internal carotid artery? Yes, the middle cerebral artery is a branch of the internal carotid artery. What is the abbreviation of the middle cerebral artery? Middle cerebral artery is abbreviated as MCA. Is the middle cerebral artery a paired artery? Yes, the middle cerebral artery is a paired artery. Are both the middle cerebral arteries considered part of the circle of Willis? No, the middle cerebral arteries are not considered part of the circle of Willis. Does the middle cerebral artery supply the cerebrum? Yes, the middle cerebral artery supplies the cerebrum. Does the middle cerebral artery reach the lateral sulcus? Yes, the middle cerebral artery reaches the lateral sulcus. Upon reaching the lateral sulcus, does the middle cerebral artery give off branches? Yes, the middle cerebral artery gives off branches when it reaches the lateral sulcus. Does the middle cerebral artery give off branches to the lateral cerebral cortex? Yes, the middle cerebral artery gives off branches to the lateral cerebral cortex. Does the middle cerebral artery supply the anterior temporal lobes and the insular cortices? Yes, the middle cerebral artery supplies the anterior temporal lobes and the insular cortices.